we would like to give a special thanks to Boxy Girls for providing us with these toys. Today on Unbox Daily, we are taking a look at Boxy Girls Unbox Online Shopping Fun. I gotta say, I am a total fan of getting dolls in the mail. And I pretty much screamed when this box showed up at my house. These dolls were released back in May, and I have been searching all of my local Walmarts, but I can't find them anywhere in my area. So this is really exciting for me because I finally have one. What's inside? Unbox makeup, shoes, bags, clothes, and more! This is too much fun. When I first opened the box, it says, "Hello, gorgeous. Good things come in brown boxes. We hope you'll enjoy your Boxy Girls experience. Have a blast unboxing tons of fashion surprises. XOXO, Boxy Girls." Loving this already. We have some tissue paper wrapped boxes here. Guess we'll just go ahead and empty everything out of the box. Look at how pretty the box is on the inside, and I'm still looking at the shipping box here. They've pulled out all the stops. We have tissue paper. I think this is the doll. This is Riley. This doll has a suggested retail price of $14.99 for ages 6 and up. Unbox 12 fashion surprises, includes 4 packages. Unbox makeup, shoes, bags, and more. On the side of the box, it says handle with care, keep dry, this way up. And on the back, we get to learn a little about Riley. Riley hearts everything music and NYC. You'll always find her shopping 5th Avenue's busy streets, rocking to her favorite tunes. And it definitely looks like she's been doing a lot of online shopping. On the other side of the box, there is a shipping label from the Boxy Girls store in New York to Riley in Nashville, Tennessee. These little details are really cute. Let's get her out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, the doll stands a little over 8 inches tall. She has black and dark blue hair, wears cat ear headphones, a white and purple top that velcros in the back, with a red and purple asymmetrical overall skirt. And she finishes her look with a pair of purple boots. They have large, boxy eyes. The head can move from side to side. There's rotation at the shoulder and wrist. There is rotation at the hip, and the leg can bend at the knee. And if I remove the shoe, you can see that they are standing on the ball of their feet. But it's still pretty easy to balance them on a flat surface. Wow! I see you got some stuff in the mail. Anything for me? I love how each little box looks just like a shipping box, right down to the shipping label. Inside of our very first box, we have, what is this? Stickers? Oh wait, there's something wrapped in paper. All right, let's try that. This is, oh, it's a pair of earrings and a necklace, so it's jewelry. And there is a note from Boxy Girls. The dolls come with pierced ears, so it's easy to put on the earrings. The necklace is really flexible to fit the doll. In box number 2, here's our note. Oh, we have all kinds of little confetti in this one. And shoes. It's a pair of purple heels and a sticker. Box number 3, I love how the inside of the box is different. Here's a sticker that says shop till you drop. We have the boxy note, some confetti, and what's that? Oh, it's a purse. In box number 4, we have another sticker. This one says more shoes, please. Here is the note, and this time we have tissue paper. Inside the tissue paper, is that a hair extension? It's on a barrette, so you can clip it into the doll's hair. For $9.99, there is a fashion pack. It says unbox 20 fashion surprises, includes 6 packages where you can get makeup, shoes, bags, and more. We have 5 small boxes and 1 large box. Let's start with the smaller ones. I gotta say, opening the boxes is a lot of fun. I am a big fan of blind boxes. Here we have a sticker, the note, some confetti, and a pair of boots. Wait a minute, we have these boots! These are the same boots that came standard with the Riley doll. In our second box from this fashion pack, we have another sticker and a note. The tissue paper has clothes. Wow, we have some fashion. I think this is an oversized peasant top shirt. Actually, I think it's a dress. These dolls have a pretty short torso. I hope this time we get another purse. All right, so far we have stickers. Oh, 2 stickers and confetti and shoes. Oh, these are little ankle boots. On the back of the box, they have all of these cute little handbags. So I'm still hoping for one of those. Is this the purse? Inside we have, it's a book bag and 2 stickers. The book bag is cute, but you know, I guess it technically can be used as a purse. I use a book bag as a purse, but I really want one of those little cute purses. Sorry, lost my cool for a moment there, but blind boxes make me crazy. Here we have a sticker, a note, tissue paper. Could this be a purse? No, it's not. It's more hair and lipstick. We have a bracelet, giant lipstick, and a hair extension. We are down to our very last box, and this is the big box. Here's some tissue paper and the sticker. So we have a sticker and a note. Inside the tissue paper, we have headphones. I think that the boxes are really cute. I love all the tissue paper, and opening them is a lot of fun. So, did you find anything for me? Sorry, Sophie, I don't think a lot of these will fit, except maybe the purses. I'll take it. Wait, I didn't say you could have it. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Boxy Girls. Look for them at Walmart and boxygirls.com. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time for another Unbox Daily. And that's our collection for now.